Today I'm gonna make the onion wings. This one I got from a local supermarket from Stop and Shop, and it's about like not more than $5 and only 13.5 ounce because Costco last week when I checked it out they don't have it anymore, so it's kind of like okay, let me try it in this case. So the instruction is very easy. You don't have to deep fry. According to it, just all you need to do is oven toast for 400 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes. And we took it out. Here we go. So this is the one that we put on a tray for to bake. Yeah, I already placed the onion ring in, and also as you see, I'm still also making a pizza at the same time. And then after like 7 minutes, I'll open it and then flip the onion ring around. Okay, after 7 minutes, I took it out, and according to instruction, they say you should flip it and then do another 7 minutes. Yeah, it's looking good. And now I'm gonna put it back. Okay, and then I'll give it another 7 minutes and should be done for the onion rings. Okay, now it should be ready. Let me take it out. Now it's ready to eat. Just let it cool down and then we'll dip with ketchup. So here's the onion ring. I'm gonna dip with ketchup. Oh, when I hold it, it's still very crispy. Definitely good. The onion ring is very crispy. So yeah, just buy that brand Alexia, whatever that is, Alexia. Follow the instruction there and you cannot go wrong. Yeah, so this onion ring is very easy to make. They already put everything you need to do without starting from scratch. Just buy the pre-made package, bake it, and you're ready. So this is another easy item you can make at home. Thank you for watching. I'll see you the next video.